Local news for Thursday, the 20th of February. The Export New Zealand ASB Wellington Export Awards is back for its fourth year with entries now open. The awards have been building year on year with growing interest from both companies and the community in the wider Wellington region, including Wairarapa. Following the announcement of more than 340 schools to be funded to run events to promote vocational education, the government has announced it will further fund 257 events run by employers and industry. 41 events will be run in Wairarapa between now and June 2021. Data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows there were 57 less farm sales, down 13.6%, for the 3 months ended January 2020 than the same period last year. The Wairarapa region saw strong prices for 2 small finishing blocks, but no activity in other categories. And Wairarapa Bush has said most fields are out of action in the Wairarapa districts, with only a few exceptions. CEO Tony Hargood says without any forecast rain over the next few weeks, rugby clubs are making alternative arrangements for trainings. It is looking like it's very unlikely some club rugby fields will be available to play pre-season games. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.